Here are two of the easiest SEO strategies that can rank your website higher on search engines. Now, we all know the goal of SEO is to show up higher for words that you can monetize, and you can do it without paying for ads. And the way you do that, which are your two tips today, are one, increase the credibility of your website, and two, increase the authority of your content. So the way that you show up higher in search engines really starts with the fundamentals. Does your website load quickly? Is it mobile friendly? Is there a clear call to action? A really simple way to think about SEO is who makes Google look good. And so Google is less likely to send a visitor to your website if it loads slowly, has poor call to action, has confusing navigation. So the first thing that you should do is start with the basics. Go through and audit your website. A great free tool is gtmetrics.com. It'll tell you why your website's loading quickly or slowly, and if it's loading slowly, where to fix those issues on your website. Like what you're watching so far, do me a favor and like and subscribe. I don't know which content brings you value unless you tell me. So liking and subscribing will help me know to make more of these videos, solve more of your problems, answer more questions, and help take you to the next level. Do that now. Like, subscribe, back to the video. Now, second thing to do to rank higher on search engines is to focus on your authority. Now, you can communicate your authority through written words. So if you think about that concept of simplicity, it really boils down to who can Google trust? And Google can figure out who to trust based on what it can read. And so readable, simplistic, text-based content is the most effective. There's other strategies and all sorts of great things you can do with graphics and videos, but the starting of all of that content relevance is traditional written content. So focus your content on quality over quantity. That's always been the gameplay, but especially now with AI in the spotlight, there's lots of ways that you can cut corners and manipulate things, and AI is another discussion. What you want to do is focus on quality over quantity. I've consistently seen, two text-based pieces of content that are well thought out, manually written, long form, consistently outpace others that are just relying entirely on automation and doing dozens and dozens and dozens of pieces of content. So use your content wisely, use your time wisely to produce that content. Focus on intent. Don't just write content for the sake of writing content. Don't just mass produce AI content because you can mass produce AI content. Instead, focus on what your buyers need. How do you bridge the gap between the pain points and the problems they need to solve with the products and services that you offer? We did it. We're learning something together. But here's the thing. I don't know what videos help you unless you tell me by liking and subscribing. So help me help you by liking and subscribing so I know what videos make an impact and help bring you to the next level.